When selecting office equipment, business decision makers are relied upon to consider many factors. Most companies aren't just looking for devices that handle the workload, they want solutions that will be an asset and that truly help maximize productivity for their entire staff. That means making sure they select office technology that's easily approachable by everyone, including users with varying levels of ability. Decision makers may need to carefully weigh key questions. For example, would a user with limited mobility find a particular MFP difficult to operate? How well will people with various levels of sight or hearing ability be able to get things done on such a device? The bottom line is, most business decision makers have real accessibility factors to consider when selecting the right MFP solution for their business. That's why Canon has taken the lead in developing solutions that help remove barriers, making office technology easier to use regardless of ability. Specifically, our Canon imageRUNNER Advanced MFP systems feature improved access and operation for users with varying levels of mobility, sight, and hearing capability. What most people seem to first notice about these systems is the user interface, and truly they do feature large, brightly colored TFT touchscreen interfaces. The screens feature wider viewing angles and are capable of displaying text in large, clear type. Easier than ever to operate and consistent across all imageRUNNER Advanced models, the new interface helps drastically lower the learning curve for most users. Also, for users with varying sight abilities, the color screens can reverse to display white text on a black background, for example. This feature can help increase clarity for those users. But accessibility enhancements don't end at the user interface. Canon imageRUNNER Advanced systems offer a battery of additional features that enable more users to work faster and more productively. Braille label kits are available and are fully compatible with imageRUNNER Advanced models. These transparent peel and stick labels attach to device hard keys to create a more tactile control panel. Several device models feature control panels that can tilt or pan for better viewing angles from both standing and sitting positions. And with the simple addition of a USB keyboard, users can much more easily control device functionality. With Canon's Voice Operation Kit, you can control imageRUNNER Advanced devices with your voice and through simplified tactile input. The kit features a speaker with a headphone jack option for privacy and a flexible microphone. Like the Voice Operation Kit, Canon's Voice Guidance Kit features a software-driven speaker that attaches to the side of the device as well. With this option implemented, speech output can guide users along as they navigate hard key controls. From your desktop PC, you can also take advantage of screen reading technology, such as JAWS software, to command imageRUNNER Advanced features and capabilities like the print driver. A practical ADF access handle enables users to easily open and close the document feeder from a seated position. Paper drawers open automatically with a light press of a button, and when you refill the paper trays, the cassettes auto-detect standard paper sizes. Toner doors open automatically during the toner replacement process, and the toner bottles themselves are so easy to access and replace, most users can do it with one hand. With the optional Remote Operators software kit, any user can operate imageRUNNER Advanced control panel functions from a networked PC. This feature provides basic device control for users with limited mobility or who work from a seated position. From the imageRUNNER Advanced device itself, it's easy to access in-depth help files. In fact, there's a tutorial button that unlocks help instructions created to guide users step by step on how to use features. Last but not least, Canon acts in accordance with Section 508 of the Rehabilitation Act, requiring federal employees and members of the public with disabilities to have equal access to information as those without disabilities. As you can see, we've taken great care to ensure that the widest range of users possible can leverage our office technology to the fullest. Take a closer look at Canon accessibility solutions today. Empower your workforce to make things happen. Let your business run.